I am Janak. I'm doing the sound recording on the documentary, so all the sound stuff. I'm also assistant editor, that's later in the project though. I chose to work on Serendipity because it's an important issue that needs to be addressed, and there's just too much of a stigma in men's mental health now, especially in the Asian community as well. Biggest challenge sound recording wise would probably be environmental factors, like recording in particularly loud places. Equipment may be breaking down, but it's sort of all stuff that I can plan for, so it should be fine. I'm most excited just to go out and actually start filming stuff. It's been a long pre-production chunk of time, so it'll be fun to start doing some stuff now. I picked sound recording because it was something I knew I can do well, and I didn't have to put that much time into relearning anything too much, but then so I could spread my help and do other stuff for the project. I've worked on a few documentaries, but the main reason I chose to do a documentary for the my final year project was because I thought it would have more of an impact rather than doing a drama. I've been doing a lot of the sound recording for it, a lot of the comedic humours. I believe I'm going to take some charge for that. I made our videos funny, just going to put that out there. Some of the documentaries from last year, or the last year's group, was quite good, and I like some of the way that they touched on these issues. I can't remember the last time I watched a documentary.